It's Fun Day Monday, time for a new art lesson. We are going to draw a rainbow today. And there's some very important things you need to know when you make a rainbow. It has to come in the correct order, rainbow order. And there is a word that you can remember the rainbow order. It's Roy G. Biv. You might have heard people say that. There's actually some silly little songs that I play in class, but the rainbow order is Roy G. Biv. So when you draw your rainbow, it has to be red on top, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And I'm going to show you how we're going to use Seesaw to draw a rainbow right on a picture of our school. Pretty cool. Here we go. You're going to add a rainbow to Ridge's sky and just make it more colorful and happy. So what I'm going to do is at the bottom of the screen I have all these different tools, and I think for this I'm going to use the marker tool, and I'm going to draw a rainbow. It's really important that we keep it in the right order, like I said. So the orders of the rainbow, I'm going to write this on the side over here. Actually, I hit back because I made a mistake. I am going to write right here, Roy G. Biv, so that I remember the order of the rainbow. I can erase that later. I'm going to start with red, and I'm going to draw a big, huge rainbow. I guess I will make it come like this. Every time I lift my finger up, it gets darker. So if you just keep doing it like that and going over and over and over, it'll get darker. Next color in the rainbow is orange. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to draw my orange. As I lift my finger and go over and over and over, it looks good. Then the next color is yellow. I am actually going over top of the building because I can erase it later so that it looks neater. Actually, I probably should fix up that orange that I did because I left a little showing there. After yellow is G, green. Rainbows only come in one order, so you have to do it in the right order. Red on top. After green comes blue, Roy G. Biv. And the next color is indigo. Indigo is a combination between purple and blue, so you can do whatever you want. I'm going to do a little bit of purple, and I'm going to put a little bit of blue on top of it. Pretty good. And then the last color is violet or purple. I just think of violet and purple as the same color. I'm just going to fix that one spot right there where it looks like there's sky showing through. So there's my rainbow. I'm going to take this eraser tool. If you hold it down, you could change the size of the eraser. I'm going to bring it a little smaller. And I'm going to erase the part of the building. I'm also going to erase where I wrote Roy G. Biv to remember, because I don't need that. And look at, when I erase this, it looks a lot nicer. Make it look like the trees are up there. And now it looks like there's a rainbow in the sky. And I can use any one of these tools, because there's smaller ones, to add little details in. So I think I might take this eraser tool and maybe erase some around this tree a little bit so it looks like the trees in front. If you ever don't like what you do, you can always hit back and it'll fix it. So that looks pretty nice so far. Now maybe I'll want to add some leaves on this tree. So, or maybe flowers on the tree. Let's make it a flowering tree. I can choose whatever tool I want. And maybe I will put some, actually I'll put some white flowers on that tree. So look, I put a little few flowers on it just by tapping. You can go around, you can draw little flowers if you want. You can add anything that you think will make Ridge look more colorful. And then when you're finished, you're going to add a page. Add a page. So here we are with our new page. And what we're going to do is use the camera, which you can see on the left-hand side. There's a little image of a camera. You're going to tap on the camera and you are going to use that to take a photo of the outside of your house. So you have to allow access, so hit OK. Ask your parent to go with you. Don't just go outside by yourself. And go to the front of the house. You want to include sky so you can add a rainbow over your own home. And you're going to take a photo. Just make sure it's really clear and in focus. Then when you put it on your template, stretch it so it takes up the whole canvas. And you're basically going to go through the exact same steps you did when you added a rainbow over Ridge. And you're going to use the tools, Rainbow Order, Roy G. Biv, and you are going to add a rainbow to make your home look colorful and any other little details you want. So when you submit this project to me, it's going to be 2 works of art, a rainbow over Ridge and a rainbow over your home. So there it is. That's how we do our rainbow. I can't wait to see a picture of a rainbow over our school and over your home. I think your parents will really like seeing that picture too. When you're finished with both your rainbows, just send it to me. And if you want to, you could write me a message or record me a little message because I do love hearing your voice and seeing your cute smiling faces. And just know that I am missing you so much and I can't wait to see you again. Bye.